We are all capable of solving problems. Did you know that mathematical anxiety leads to mathematical difficulties? In this video, I'm going to go over word problems for you to overcome these issues. My name is Ms. Rios and this is Teacher Approved. Here is a table with a few examples of word problems that do not have enough information, another one that has too much information, and then just right information. I will start off with this word problem. My friend and I went to Whole Foods for dinner last night. I spent $14.56 on one slice of pizza, Italian soda, and a salad. My friend only bought a bagel and a cup of soup. How much more did I spend than my friend? Well, since I do not know how much my friend spent, then I am not able to solve this problem because it has too little information. The next problem. My mom bought my sister and I a pair of shoes for a total of $75. Who did she spend more money on? Well, since I do not know how much either of these shoes cost, I am not able to solve that problem either because I do not have enough information. Now, that same problem was changed a little bit over here. My friend and I went to Whole Foods for dinner last night. I spent $14.56. My friend only bought a bagel and soup for $9.56. How much more did I spend than my friend? And since I did not mention this before, I highlighted how much more because every time you see that keyword, these keywords together, that means you are going to subtract. And now that I know how much my friend spent, I am able to find the difference in this word problem, which makes it just right. $14.56 minus $9.56 gives me a difference of $5. The next problem. My mom bought my sister and I a pair of shoes for a total of $75. My shoes were $25 and my sister's were $50. Who did mom spend more money on? Well, now that I have this information, I am able to see that my mom spent more money on my sister. And if one of these were missing, for example, if I did not know how much she spent on my sister, but I know how much she spent on me, I am able to subtract $75 minus $25. And that gives me a difference of $50. Here's an example of a problem that has too much information. I went to the zoo and took a picture of my mom, my dad, my 4 siblings, 6 birds, 10 kangaroos, 5 hippos, 11 alligators, 9 koalas, and 3 Tasmanian devils. How many marsupials did I photograph at the zoo? Even though I'm not a zoologist, I already know that my mom, dad, 4 siblings, 6 birds, 5 hippos, and 11 alligators are not marsupials. Therefore, I feel like I am adding a little common sense, and this problem gives me a sum of 22. In this word problem, we are going to look for a pattern. As you can see, 4 push-ups are added every week. The answer is 24. Well, in this problem, we are going to estimate. So I know that there are 3 family members. Everyone is about $100 a piece. That's $300 plus $20 for parking. You are at about $320. And you have a budget of $500. So yes, you can afford to go to the theme park. For this problem, I am going to organize my information by using this table. In this table, I am starting with $160 because it says I emptied out my piggy bank and counted $160 in pennies, quarters, nickels, and dimes. I put the money back inside and continued adding $5 in change for the next 2 weeks. So these are the next 2 weeks. If you add 5 here and then another 5 here, that gives me 165 and then 170. Then for 4 more weeks, I added $10 each week. So it's talking about these 4 spots. So for 4 more weeks, an additional $10 was added. So 170 plus 10 is 180. $180 plus 10 is 190. 190 plus 10 is 200. 200 plus 10 is 210. Your answer to how much money did I have saved at the end of 6 weeks, it would be $210. Next time you see a word problem, stop and think about how you will organize the information provided. That's all for now. Remember, practice makes progress. My name is Miss Rios and this is Teacher Approved.